made in Italy. Mario, Super Mario. Hey, this is crazy, bruh. Arrivederci. Hey, you know, when you buy the Don ones, you gotta start talking Italian, bro. Arrivederci. Da Vinci. Aiuto, the money is one. Just said shit Chipotle. Here they go, y'all. I was at a tantric orgasm. Oh, man. Yo, what's good? It's your main man, Rick the Dawn. And look what I got. I got the Don one right here in my hand. Yes. It showed up. Now, I will show you this first. Something pretty cool. All right, that little sticker right there. Oh, man, it feels like a holiday. You get this nice little wrap. Oh man, look at that. Oh man. I don't want to tell you, but I'll tell you. I spent a great amount of time getting the custom box right. It took moving things just a little bit this way, moving things a little that way. Wow, this is beautiful, man. My manufacturer did an amazing job with the detail. I feel like this is a college, a diploma, a college something. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, you know, when you walk across the stage and they shake your hand and they give you a sheet of paper, that's what this feels like. There it is right there, yo. There it is right there. What a geek. I love the box, man. It's like a magnetic closing box. Oh, don't drop the $1 million. Don't drop the merchandise, baby. There it is. I just want to show you that magnet open technique, whatever it's called. Now for the moment we all been waiting for. All right, you got some nice paper right here, made in Italy. Mario, Super Mario. Hey, this is crazy, bruh. Arrivederci. Hey, you know, when you buy the Don ones, you gotta start talking Italian, bro. Arrivederci. Da Vinci. Aiuto, the money is one. Just said shit Chipotle. Here they go, y'all. I was at a tantric orgasm. Oh, man. Bro, oh my gosh, bro. The gold was blinding me, bro. Each shoe was individually wrapped. Here they go, baby. There they go. The Don one right here. And when you look inside, there you go. You got the logo there. There it is. These looks kind of straight, you know what I'm saying? There they go. On feet. All right. Y'all rocking with these or no? They feel like some gold Olympic joints. All right, I love the crocodile texture. Actually, a good little texture. And it's kind of like a mixture between it's a stylish vibe, but it's also like a kind of a chill vibe. So you can kind of get away with rocking these anywhere for that matter. So I'm really getting both vibes from these. Like a casual vibe, but at the same time, like, you know, if I wanted to actually wear something, I can kind of get away with that too. That's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to show you real quick what the Don ones look like on foot in person. So, you know, it's real, not no scam. It's real business out here, man. Big moves. But I'll see you in the next one. Peace.